Hey everybody, Crazy Dave here from Adventures in Geocaching with none other than Crazy Dave. Well, actually today, I know I promised I was going to start trying to do all geocaching videos, but I think this one kind of counts as a geocaching video. We're doing a geocaching mail call today. So come along, this should be fun. Alright guys, I have gotten several items from my mailbox recently. In fact, I was kind of busy and forgot to check it, and so I'm a few weeks behind actually, which I'm hating that because I'm pretty sure I know what a couple of these things are, but let's get started. Let's see. It is a DuckTales trackable. I guess I need to get these together and get them out as quickly as possible. But I got one from Geocaching headquarters. And not only did I get one from the Geocaching headquarters, but I signed up for... Uh-oh, this one's going to be a little hard to open. I guess it's time for the scissors. Signed up for a competition on another Facebook page and got a second one. So I've got two DuckTales trackables that I need to send out into the world. So, and wait for it, this one's, in my opinion, almost better. Who recognizes that? That's right. It's Going Caching 2018 in Rome, Georgia in October. I can't wait to go. And in this package, I got the mystery t-shirt. So there is a mystery geocache that everybody can get the t-shirt, figure out some of the clues, and on the day of the event they will give us the final clue to find the cache. And let's see, looks like I've got several other items in here. I believe that these are, yep, they are trackable cards. Every year, if you go to the Going Caching website, you can make trading cards, and this will be the frame for your trading card, and then they'll have your image put in there. I believe August the 15th is the final date to get that in. So make sure you get that done. Oh, and a special little note here. If I wear this t-shirt to any event between now and September 15th, I have a picture of myself wearing it at the event and upload it to Going Caching, their Going Caching Facebook. I'll be entered in entered to win a prize. One of two $50 Visa gift cards. So it's not a bad purchase to get one of these t-shirts. And if they're not already sold out, they probably will be soon. So make sure you check in on that. All right, well, I really am excited about all of the things I got here. I'm going to get these trackables out as soon as possible. I'm going to be wearing this t-shirt to any event between now and the 15th of September. And I look forward to seeing you guys at Going Caching and be watching for these trackables to get out. I may use these to start a new series. Just a little clue. It's something brand new. On Adventures in Geocaching with Crazy Dave. Make sure you check back. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, click that subscribe button right. Well, you know, in the camera screen, it looks like it's over there, but I think it's over there. I'm pretty sure it's not there or there. I don't know. I guess I could put one there or there. But anyway, if you would, just click that button. Make sure you click the bell to get notifications when we put up a new video. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Haunted Mysteries.